Hey, what's up everybody? We're back with another food review, and in today's review, the brand new Elio's movie from Pixar is coming out June the 20th, and they just dropped their brand new kids meals. So we've got the Elio's Happy Meal. It comes with one toy. You can get your chicken, your burger, just the way you always like it. And today also is the marking of the dropping of the brand new S'mores McFlurry. Now, I've been excited about this ever since I heard it was coming out. It's about to be summer. It's getting really hot. Who doesn't want a good sweet treat? Like this like this delicious S'mores Oreo McFlurry. I think it's perfect just in time for summer. Anyway, let's get into this. We also have the new McCrispy strips. Well, these are a little bit older. They've been out for a little while now, and this is McDonald's new chicken strips that they have added to their menu, as well as their creamy chili dipping sauce. Should taste really, really good. And then, as you all might know, the chicken wraps are slated to come back on July the 10th permanently. I'm pretty excited about that. John's already opened his Happy Meal.
It does come with this creamy chili McCrispy strip dip.
Yes.
So we will also be trying that.
Should be absolutely delicious. Talon's excited. Talon, if you want to jump right into that Happy Meal, go right ahead. Which toy did you get, Bubba? Oh, he got Elio!
I mean, that is the name of the movie.
That is the name, and that is the name of the main character, is Elio.
Looks like some kind of like spinning top.
That would be cool. Here's the look of the box. It's got Elio and all his little alien friends with him on there. Right here on the side, it's got Glorden with a little maze that you can do on the side there. Looks like they've got a picture of all the toys that it comes with. Looks like it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different toys that you can get. Here are those toys and what they look like. Looks really, really cute, you guys. We actually just took Talon to see Lilo and Stitch this last week.
Yeah.
And it was really, really cute, you guys. I highly, highly recommend you guys go out and see that one with your kids and your family. Really, really cute.
Super cute.
I thought they did a really good job on it. Graphics looked great. We also got the How to Train Your Dragon merch. I didn't get to do a review on that, but that was a gift for my daughter's graduation. As you guys know, Abby was in our last video for the How to Train Your Dragon Burger King collab. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out.
Look at this.
So right off the bat, these chicken strips, they're not just big chicken nuggets.
They look delicious.
They're totally different.
Yeah, I'm excited. I am not a huge fan of the chicken at McDonald's, like their chicken nuggets. I mean, I feel like the quality has gone down over the years. Like when we were kids, I think they tasted really good.
Yeah.
But I don't know if that's just because I was a kid or just because they tasted better.
They taste better.
Anyway, these look really good, nice and thick. You can see the little bits of pepper in there. Looks really, really delicious. I'm really excited to get into these McCrispy chicken strips.
Actually kind of reminds me of like a Wendy's, sort of like breading and seasoning on it.
Let's get into this creamy chili sauce. See how that tastes.
So it's good. Breast meat. It's like real chicken breast meat, not like the stuff that they use in the chicken nuggets.
Mm-hmm.
So
I'm excited about this, and I hope this high quality of chicken is what we're going to be getting in the chicken wraps coming in July.
doing something right now, McDonald's.
Yeah, I like the healthier options sometimes. We are trying to diet here, so it's nice when we're picking up a little Happy Meal for Talon that we can go ahead and get the chicken snack wraps for ourselves. And I'm pretty excited they're coming out with the regular and the spicy, because, you know, we love some spicy chicken around here.
I love spicy everything.
The sauce is good. Very creamy. I'm not really getting a whole lot of spice.
It's more of a lime.
Maybe a hint. Maybe a hint of spice.
I'm getting more of lime.
Oh, Mittens is joining our review over here. Mittens, say hi to the good people. Mittens is like, you got food up here? French fry. All right, this is the toy that Talon got in his meal. Does this shoot off in some way?
Yeah.
It's really cute. So the toy that he got is the Elio Solace and Ooh. I guess we'll figure that out when the movie comes out. Looks really cute. I would love to take Talon to go see this one as well. Looks absolutely adorable. Oh, look at that.
It looks like kind of like a spoon, and then you just launch it. So it doesn't really roll or anything like that, it just kind of launches.
Yeah.
That's it.
Well, that's cute. Look at his face. He's so like well drawn. He's got such cute character. I love that.
And then it's got like the little guy on it. Kind of looks like Bimo from Adventure Time.
It does. All right, getting into this S'mores McFlurry. I've been very excited about this one. Talon, you want to try the ice cream with us? Spoon? Hold this open for you so you can get a good taste of it.
And I got orange. And I got orange. And that's some
Now, in this S'mores McFlurry, there are Hershey's chocolate pieces, little miniature marshmallows, and chunks of graham cracker in there, just like a good old s'more. Let's give it a taste. Oh my god. That is so delicious, you guys. That crunch of the graham cracker, it's
not
giving
the
me
graham
something. It's the marshmallows?
Yeah, they're dehydrated marshmallows like you get in your hot chocolate.
Oh, I love that.
And that's what's in it. That's the crunch.
It is. Oh my god. This is so good.
This is amazing. You guys
10 out of
go out-
10.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
McDonald's, you need to get I told you a while back you need to get back on track. This is terrific.
This is a great jump start to that.
Yeah. Just stay on course.
Very, very good, you guys. I highly recommend you go out and get all of these. The Elio Kids Meal, I think they knocked it out of the park. Love the coloring, love the designs. It looks like such a fun, cute movie. I've seen the trailer a couple of times now, and I'm sold. It looks absolutely adorable. Bright colors on all the aliens. Cute little storyline for the Elio character, who just wants to belong, you know? He wants to be abducted by aliens. I mean, so do I. Same. I get it, Elio. I get it. He wants to go to another planet, make some alien friends.
We did spend last night watching Paul.
We did. Love that movie. Classic. Always gonna love it. 10 out of 10 on the S'mores McFlurry. Talon, what do you think about it?
Good to dip your fries into.
Delicious and perfect for dipping your fries, guys. Again, the McCrispy strips, really, really good. What would you give these McCrispy strips?
I give them a solid 8 out of 10.
Yeah, you know what? I have to agree with that. 8 out of 10. I'm really, really interested to see what the new chicken wraps are going to taste like. They did used to have them. They pulled them after a while, and now they're going to be permanently on the menu. Pretty excited about that. So go out and get your McCrispy wraps. July 10th is when they drop, I do believe. And if you want to go see the new movie, Elio is in theaters June the 20th. That's coming up real quick, you guys. It's going to be really, really cute. Also, this weekend, How to Train Your Dragon live action. We are so excited to go see that movie. We're going to take all the fam and go see that. I'm super duper excited about that one. You guys are going to definitely want to go get tickets for that as well.
If you'd like to see us make a vlog for that one, you should drop a message down in the comments.
Heck yeah. Tell us what your favorite item was out of all these items in the comment section down below. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you want to see more awesome content and food review videos just like this one. We're also going to be coming up pretty soon with the brand new, I don't know if you guys have heard about this, but Wendy's is doing a Takis collab where they're doing a whole Takis meal. Taki burgers, Taki fries.
Will we be doing that one?
Gonna be hilarious. And what I'm super pumped about, you guys, to go along with that pickle powered live that we had, is Sonic is dropping a big dill pickle menu. So there's gonna be a whole meal. It's supposed to be like a drink with pickle flavored boba. It's gonna be hilarious. So stay tuned for that one. That one's gonna be coming as soon as that meal drops. It's gonna be hilarious. And thank you guys for watching and tuning in. And we'll see you guys on the next video.
Bye.
Bye. Like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Ding, 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 ding.
None. Ice cream and French fries. No.
We're doing deep dive and research here, people. This is for you. The crispy strip into the ice cream. Delicious. 10 out of 10.
What do you think, Tom? That's heavenly music going on over there.
Definitely get the S'mores McFlurry. Dip your fries and your chicken. You can't miss it. It's absolutely delicious.